In this demo, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the matrix. Very simply, the matrix is a grid. What makes the matrix really powerful is that it allows you to filter for multiple layers of data while also tying the video to the numbers. So for example, if I wanted to find all the times that a bus entered the intersection from the north, I could single click on this cell here. So in other words, there are 9 bus instances that have a north label on it. If I double click on that cell, it actually pulls up just those 9 instances in this new movie window here. If I wanted to filter for an additional layer of information, for example, I wanted to find all the bus instances where it entered from the east and made a turn, I could double click on this cell, and in this case obviously we see there's a 2, it'll pull up just those 2 instances here. Another great feature is that I can click and drag this little slider bar at the bottom of the matrix, and you can see the curtain on the timeline also react accordingly, and the numbers just adjust based on what range of the timeline I choose to have visible. So in this case, all the numbers reflect just the space between the curtains. I'll go ahead and put those back. I can also easily export the matrix as a table to a text file or an Excel file so that I can make use of that information in a place outside of Studiocode as well if that's necessary. And lastly, you should be aware that the matrix is a template file. So the numbers in any matrix really just read whatever movie package or aggregate movie package you put behind it. So for example, in this case, the matrix is reading this movie package that's called intersection 1. But for sake of example, I'm going to open intersection 2, which is a different movie package. It's been coded very similarly, but obviously the numbers are different because it was a different day and time or a different intersection. So I'll link this matrix to this new movie package or timeline here, and then watch the numbers in the matrix just regenerate. So now this matrix just reflects the coding and labeling on this particular movie package. There's many other features that are very useful with the matrix, but these are a few of the more commonly used ones to get you started.